Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos with mediocre content rank number 1 while your masterpiece sits at the bottom of search results with 12 views? What if I told you that YouTube's algorithm underwent massive changes in 2024 that most creators are completely ignoring, and the SEO strategies that worked last year are actually hurting your rankings right now? I'm about to reveal the underground YouTube SEO tactics that the top 1% of creators are using to dominate search results in 2025. These aren't the basic keyword stuffing tricks your favorite YouTube guru taught you 3 years ago. These are cutting-edge strategies that exploit brand new algorithm updates, and I guarantee 90% of your competition has never heard of them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reverse engineer any viral video's SEO strategy, how to hack YouTube's new AI recommendation system, and the secret psychological triggers that make viewers click your videos over everyone else's. But here's the catch. YouTube is constantly evolving these systems, so what I'm sharing today might not work 6 months from now. That's why you need to pay attention to every single word I'm about to say. Let's start with the biggest misconception about YouTube SEO in 2025. Everyone thinks it's still about cramming keywords into your title and description. Wrong. YouTube's AI has become so sophisticated that it can actually understand the intent behind searches better than the people making them. This means the old school approach of matching exact keywords is not just outdated, it's counterproductive. The new algorithm prioritizes something called semantic relevance. Instead of looking for exact keyword matches, YouTube's AI analyzes the relationship between concepts, topics, and user behavior patterns. This is why you'll see videos ranking for searches that don't even contain the search term in their title. The algorithm has learned to connect dots that humans miss. Here's your first game-changing hack for 2025. Instead of focusing on primary keywords, you need to build what I call topic clusters. Choose your main subject, then identify every related subtopic, question, and concern your audience has around that subject. Create content that naturally weaves these related concepts together, and YouTube's AI will recognize your video as the comprehensive authority on that topic. For example, if you're making a video about productivity apps, don't just target productivity apps. Include discussions about time management, work-life balance, digital minimalism, and specific use cases for different professions. This signals to YouTube that your content provides deep value, not just surface-level information. Now let's talk about the psychological warfare happening in search results. Your thumbnail and title aren't just competing for clicks, they're competing for attention in a battlefield of hundreds of options. The creators who understand this are using advanced psychology principles that most people learned in marketing school but never applied to YouTube. The curiosity gap is your most powerful weapon. Your title should promise specific value while leaving crucial details mysterious. Instead of how to edit videos faster, try the 37-second editing trick that professionals don't want you to know. The specific number creates credibility, while the mystery element creates an irresistible urge to click. But here's where most creators mess up. They create curiosity without delivering substance. YouTube's algorithm tracks how long people stay on your video after clicking, and if you're getting clicks but not watch time, you're actually training the algorithm to rank your content lower. Every click without engagement is a vote against your video's quality. The solution is what I call value stacking. Your intro needs to immediately validate the click by giving viewers a taste of the promised value, then create new curiosity gaps that keep them watching. Within the first 15 seconds, confirm what they came for and tease what's coming next. This is the bridge between clickability and watchability. Speaking of watch time, YouTube's 2025 algorithm has introduced something revolutionary that nobody's talking about. They're now tracking micro-engagement signals that go far beyond likes and comments. The algorithm monitors cursor movement, scroll speed, and even how often viewers adjust their volume during your video. These signals indicate genuine interest versus passive consumption. This means your content structure needs to be intentionally designed for active engagement. Create moments that naturally encourage viewers to lean in, adjust their position, or interact with their device. Ask questions that require mental processing, not just yes or no responses. Use visual elements that draw the eye around the screen. These micro-interactions send powerful signals to the algorithm about your content quality. Here's an advanced technique that's working incredibly well right now. YouTube's AI is prioritizing videos that keep viewers on the platform longer, not just on your specific video. This means your end screens and suggested content strategy can dramatically impact your rankings. Instead of promoting your oldest or most popular videos, analyze which of your videos lead to the longest platform sessions and prioritize those. Create content sequences where each video naturally leads to the next. Build curiosity loops that span multiple videos, and YouTube will start treating your channel like a binge-worthy series. The algorithm wants to keep people watching, and if your content consistently achieves that goal, you'll see your entire channel's search visibility improve. Now let's dive into the technical side that separates amateurs from professionals. YouTube's closed caption system has become incredibly sophisticated, and it's not just for accessibility anymore. The algorithm now analyzes your speech patterns, keyword density in spoken content, and even the emotional tone of your delivery to understand your video's true subject matter. This means your script optimization is just as important as your title optimization. Use natural variations of your target keywords throughout your spoken content. Don't stuff keywords unnaturally, but do ensure that someone listening to your video would clearly understand what topics you're covering. The algorithm is literally listening to every word you say. Voice tonality is another ranking factor that most creators completely ignore. YouTube's AI can detect confidence, excitement, and authority in your voice. Videos with energetic, confident delivery consistently outrank monotone presentations on identical topics. This doesn't mean you need to be fake or overly enthusiastic, but it does mean your delivery should match the energy level appropriate for your content. Here's a controversial strategy that's working exceptionally well for search rankings. YouTube rewards videos that generate discussion and debate in the comments. Controversial opinions and strong stances on topics within your niche can dramatically boost your engagement metrics. But there's a fine line between productive controversy and destructive drama. The key is taking informed, defensible positions on topics where your audience has divided opinions. Present your viewpoint confidently, acknowledge alternative perspectives respectfully, and invite discussion in your comments. This approach generates the engagement signals that YouTube loves while building a community around your content. Let's talk about timing, because when you publish matters more than ever. YouTube's algorithm now considers global audience behavior patterns when determining initial distribution. There are specific time windows when different types of content perform better, and these windows change based on current events, seasonal trends, and platform-wide user behavior. Educational content performs best during traditional learning hours. Entertainment content peaks during evening relaxation periods. Business content dominates during commute times and lunch breaks. But here's the secret most creators miss. You should be analyzing your specific audience's behavior patterns, not general platform trends. Your analytics show exactly when your subscribers are most active and engaged. The description box has evolved into a powerful SEO tool, but not in the way most people think. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just read your description for keywords, it analyzes the structure, formatting, and comprehensiveness of your description to assess your content's professionalism and authority. Write descriptions like you're creating a comprehensive resource. Include timestamps for major topics, relevant links to credible sources, and detailed explanations of complex concepts mentioned in your video. This signals to YouTube that your content is thorough and valuable, which can significantly impact your search rankings. Here's something that will blow your mind about YouTube's new recommendation system. The algorithm is now capable of predicting what videos people want to watch before they even search for them. It analyzes viewing history, search patterns, and even external browsing behavior to anticipate user needs. This means your SEO strategy should include trend prediction. Look at rising search terms in your niche, emerging technologies, and developing news stories. Create content around topics before they become saturated with competition. Being early to trending topics can establish your authority and capture search traffic before everyone else realizes the opportunity exists. The mobile optimization game has completely changed for 2025. With over 70% of YouTube watch time happening on mobile devices, the algorithm heavily favors content optimized for small screens and short attention spans. Your thumbnails need to be readable at tiny sizes. Your titles should front-load the most important information, and your content structure should accommodate viewers who might be watching in distracting environments. Consider how your content performs on mobile versus desktop. Videos with strong mobile performance metrics often see improved rankings across all platforms because mobile behavior signals are weighted heavily in YouTube's algorithm calculations. Here's your secret weapon for 2025, community building as an SEO strategy. YouTube's algorithm increasingly prioritizes creators who build genuine communities over those who simply accumulate subscribers. Active community members who regularly engage with your content send powerful authority signals to the algorithm. Focus on creating content that encourages community interaction. Ask specific questions that generate detailed responses. Create inside jokes and references that reward regular viewers. Build traditions and recurring segments that give your audience reasons to return consistently. These community engagement signals can dramatically boost your search visibility. The future of YouTube SEO is moving toward personalization and context-aware ranking. The same search term will show different results to different users based on their viewing history, preferences, and current context. This means your SEO strategy needs to be broad enough to appeal to various audience segments, while specific enough to rank for your target keywords. Create content variations that appeal to different experience levels, interests, and use cases within your niche. This approach increases your chances of ranking for the same keywords across multiple audience segments, effectively multiplying your search traffic potential. Remember, YouTube SEO in 2025 isn't about gaming the system. It's about aligning your content creation process with how YouTube's AI actually evaluates and ranks videos. The creators who succeed are those who understand that SEO isn't a separate activity from content creation. It's an integral part of making videos that genuinely serve their audience. The strategies I've shared today are working right now, but YouTube's algorithm continues evolving rapidly. Stay curious, keep testing, and always prioritize providing genuine value to your viewers. When you combine advanced SEO techniques with authentic, helpful content, you create videos that both the algorithm and your audience will love. Your YouTube success in 2025 depends on understanding that SEO isn't about manipulating rankings. It's about communicating your content's value clearly to both viewers and the algorithm. Master these techniques, implement them consistently, and watch your videos climb to the top of search results where they belong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment SEO if you're ready to rank higher in 2025.